So today I am going to put together a remedy for Barrett to help him get over a cold he's had. Barrett is my husband and he's been pretty sick, so we are going to put something together for him. He's had real bad congestion, mucus, and coughs, so we're going to try to get rid of that. If you would, please look down in the description below at my disclaimer before you start viewing this video. So we're going to go ahead and start. I have a red onion. Make sure it's a red onion. Red onions carry the most medicinal properties. This is also going to be a new category on my channel, and it is going to be titled Medicinal Mondays, so that way it'll make it easier for everybody to just jump in and go look at that playlist. So what I did is I went ahead and cut the bottom off to make sure it'll fit in my bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and cut the top, but we're going to save it. And then this would work a lot better if I had a larger size onion, but this will work. It'll be fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to start scooping out the middle of this onion. And we are going to put the stuff we scoop out on the side here. And we're just basically making a little bowl. This will help him break up all that phlegm, help his cough. It'll be a pain relief for him. He says that every time he coughs, he feels dizzy, so this will help with that as well. Take the skin off. We can get rid of that. Ooh, it's getting strong. Alright. Now that we have that, we're just going to cut it up, slice it into little pieces. Ooh! Red onions are so much stronger. They make my eyes water. Okay, let's just get rid of that for a minute so I can see what I'm doing. We're going to put this in the bowl. We'll put the onion in the bowl. And I am going to cover that up so I can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the scraps and wash my supplies here so I can get this onion from burning my eyes. Alright, the next step is we need a garlic clove. Garlic has a lot of medicinal properties in it as well. It is an antibiotic, a very strong one. Alright, once you get your garlic clove healed, we're going to go ahead and chop that up fine as well. It does, the onion will open up your sinuses for sure. We'll just keep chopping it. You're going to eat this, so you want it kind of fine. Side there, and we'll start assembling everything here in a second. Okay, now it would be best if you used fresh garlic. However, I don't have fresh garlic on hand right now. I dehydrated it all, so we're just going to use powdered garlic, which is fine. Alright, so into our onion, we're going to do, since this is a small onion, we'll do a fourth of a teaspoon of garlic. Or not garlic, I'm sorry, ginger. We'll do a fourth of a teaspoon of ginger. Go ahead and put our garlic in there. Some of the onion in there as well. We can use the onion for something else later on. And then we are just going to douse this onion in honey. We'll give it a mix. Get it all incorporated in there. If you need to. Alright, I'm going to call that good. Can you see that? Yum. Alright. I threw my top away. Oh my goodness. Alright. Usually I would keep the top, put the top back on, but it'll be okay. I'm going to go ahead. I know what I'll do. I'll just put this excess onion on top of it to seal it in. And then we'll go ahead and put the lid on it, and we are going to let this sit in a dark, cool place for 24 hours. Do not use this until 24 hours. And remember, the biggest tip on this is you need to put the onion in an air-safe container. The reason being is onions will draw any infection or any fungus or anything from the air into the onion. So you want to protect this onion with an airtight lid, an airtight container. Again, we're going to stick this in a cabinet where it's nice, dark, and cool. And then in 24 hours, so tomorrow at about 7:25, I can start giving this to Barrett. And he can take a teaspoon twice a day until he's healed up. So we'll see how he likes my concoction here. And until next time, I hope you all stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye.